Welcome to this lecture on closed-ended versus open-ended problems. So I'm teacher Melay. So in this lecture video, we are going to discuss open-ended versus closed-ended problems. So you might be familiar with open-ended questions and closed-ended questions. So you know that if it is closed-ended questions, so you do not have any other options aside, for instance, to the given options, like it is a multiple choice test. So you are provided with options A, B, C, D. So you just need to choose in the given options, or questions answerable by yes or no, questions that that requires one answer is closed-ended, or as long as there is, as mentioned, there is a possible or there is options provided. So if it is with it is multiple choice, or it is dichotomous type of questions answerable by yes or no. While for open-ended, we usually use open-ended questions for items that requires the, what you call this, like an essay type of question. So it is an open-ended question. So you are asked, for example, to describe yourself. So there are different ways on how to state it. There are different ways how to describe yourself. It is an open-ended. So we do not, as the we do not have also idea of what will be the respond of the respondents, or what will be the respond of those who were asked open-ended questions. Okay, so in mathematics, we also have the open-ended and closed-ended problems. So just like for the given description of open-ended, it is also a question or a problem which has more than one correct answer and more than one strategy to obtain this answer. So if it is a question that can be answered, or it has a multiple answer, so you can use also multiple strategies in solving it, and then you can arrive at different answer, but that different answers are all correct. It is called the open-ended problems. Well, for closed-ended, so these are questions or problems that may only have one correct answer or one strategy to obtain the answer. So as mentioned, we can connect it to multiple choice or fill in the blank or identification question. So it requires only one answer. Okay, so here is an example of a open-ended. So place the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the circle so that the sum across and vertically are the same. So describe the strategy you use to find your solution or solution. So it may have more than one answer. So this is an example response. So it can be that you start writing number 1 at the center, and then it can be that the method that you use is actually trial and error and came up with this solution. So if we add now 2 plus 1 plus 5, the result is 8. 3 plus 1 plus 4, the result is also 8. While if we will change our solution, it can also be that we place number 5 at the center, and then 5, 2, 3, 4. So we have here, if we add this, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 3 is also 10. So it again gives a correct answer. Or another solution, so we have here one more solution. So 3, 1, 2, 4, and 5. So if we add this, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So again, you will get the same answer, so it is also correct. So you can actually come up with more than one solutions, more than one correct answers, and all of the answers provided are correct. So this is an example of an open-ended problems. Now let us also see what are the examples of closed-ended problems. So if you are just asked, for example, to calculate 5 plus 3 times 4, so we know that the rule in dealing with this problems is to follow the rule MDAS, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Or if you are just asked to find for the derivative of 2x squared plus 4x plus 3, you will get the same answer, or you will get, only one answer, and that is 4x plus 4. So you can come up with two solutions here using the rules or using the limits, but you will get the same answer. So it is still 4x plus 4. Unlike for the open-ended given example, so you have there, or we have provided you with multiple options, or rather multiple answers, and that multiple answers are all correct. So thank you for watching.